Well, you may have heard that the Burrlington Northern Santa Fe's Interbay Yard is being decommissioned, and you may have seen the video I did about the demise of the yard. I have some additional footage to show you of the hump yard and a bunch of other stuff they're going to be tearing down. But I was down and I thought we should all look at the deadline together. Look at all these engines parked in the deadline. I don't know how long they'll be there, but I was able to see them from the highway without trespassing. And so I took a scan of them with my telephoto lens. There's all the sand towers there. And we'll go through and look at each one of these individually. I really like that caboose or shoving platform that's there. And that bridge in the distance is the Dravis Street Bridge, which is the center of my model of the Interbay Yard of my railroad. So we're looking at some great legacy engines, the SD9s. That's a BN Paint SD9. I don't know where that switcher came from with the red paint. You know, if you know more about these engines, please leave comments below and in the comments in this video, and then everyone will know more about these engines than I do. There's a couple of B units, you know, the cabless. And that looks like I want to say that's a 50 with that, or maybe even a 60 cabless unit, SD60. I think some of these are the same engines that we saw from a distance in my previous video where I was down at the car repair shop. Yeah, so if you know anything about these engines, leave comments and we'll be able to enjoy this for years to come, even if they tow them away soon and we're no longer able to see them. There's a lot of interesting details on the maintenance of way stores area there too. I wish I'd had a drone for taking this picture, then we really could have gotten some views. And if you know of anyone who's published some drone footage of this, put that in the chat and we can all go look at that. I also got a kick out of seeing some of the signs in the facility. You might be able to use those for your modeling. That's the Interbay locomotive facility. And I always think of it as the roundhouse, but it's been a while since they really needed to use a roundhouse. In fact, that's probably why they're abandoning it, because it's a lot of extra infrastructure they don't need. Isn't that cool having a traction motor there for decoration in the traffic circle? All right, well, I hope you found this interesting, and you'll let me know what you know about all these engines in the comments below. Stay tuned to this channel for future releases of my other footage of the different Interbay facilities. And in the meantime, this is Burr Stewart, wishing you much fun with trains.